Trevor found the bag of Halloween candy. Did you find the bag of Halloween candy? Mm-hmm. So he's testing it out, making sure it's good enough. Is it good? And then we'll have some real breakfast, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yesterday.
Yesterday? Yeah. How about today?
Okay.
You roach those tires when you pull.
You like that?
Oh, Mikey and Bubba's.
Did you do it on purpose or was that
An
an
accident.
Kind of on accident because it's the pedal I'm not used to it. You got to really press it to get into it. So I'm like, it's not going, not going. I said, screw it, because there was a car coming.
Right.
So I'm like, all right, I gotta go. I got time to screw around.
That was pretty awesome. We were still outside listening. Here's the code. You got to put a hat.
Trevor, you gonna go in there and jump? Go in and jump. You wanna go down the slide? Go down the slide. Whee! Can you climb up? Woo! Do you need help? You need help? Oh, look, you got the whole thing to yourself. You can jump all over. You don't want to? You're just gonna go down the slide? Whee! Trevi. Hi! Is the fire hot?
They got a fucking killer diesel, 25.
Oh, you're picking at the hay?
It was like 70 grand. So what? I got it. You know what? And I was sitting there going, man, I don't know. I do it, but I'm like, do you have any idea? Because it's like a heavier duty. It doesn't tell them. They don't know the mileage. You know.
You gonna jump?
Woo!
Yeah, Arthur's house still for sale, right?
When it gets down to 220, I'll get a look. 269 now. What's what? 300? You want it?
Just get a hold of him and say, hey, I'll go 220. What do you think of me? You might take it.
Say no. He's had probably no offers.
I don't see how he could.
Tell him, take it off. Tell him, unlist it with the agent. And then whatever the contract says, 3 months go by or 6 months, then you'll buy it for 220.
I want to go out there.
Wednesday night?
Sometimes. Then you got scared last weekend in the fleet of Florida, or Cuba, where the hell it was.
Lasting a month that far apart. That can't be right. That distance.
No, it is. That's.
Here's the top.
Just toss them all in the
I know.
Finish like kind of.
Yeah.
27 feet.
I've never played beer pong.
There's no way that can be right.
That's tough.
What color is
That is fun.
I'm just throwing anyone.
Oh, great.
Hey! Champion.
Nice throwing yellow ones. What's happening?
I'm throwing all colors.
Daddy's over there on the couch.
I think that's farther than regulation. 27 feet. I think.
Second.
Pong, beer pong.
What do you want to do? I like to ride back to the
You want to play beer pong tonight?
What?
I like to go ride back to